Hey there! In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to post a thread on your Instagram feed on Android using the Threads app. This is a great way to share your favorite threads with your Instagram followers. So without further ado, let's get started. Step 1. Download and install Threads app. Firstly, make sure that you have downloaded and installed the Threads application on your Android smartphone. If you haven't already done so, head over to the Google Play Store and search for Threads from Instagram. Once you find the app, download and install it on your device. Step 2. Open Threads app and log in. Now that you have installed the app, open it up and log in using your Instagram account details. Step 3. Choose the thread you want to post. To post a thread on your Instagram feed, choose the thread you want to post from the Threads tab in the app. Step 4. Tap on the share icon. Once you have selected the thread you want to post, tap on the share icon located below the thread. Step 5. Choose Post to Feed. In the share options, choose Post to Feed to post the thread on your Instagram feed. Step 6. Edit your post. You can now edit your post by adding captions, hashtags, and location tags. You can also choose to share the post on other social media platforms. And that's it. Posting a thread on your Instagram feed on Android using the Threads app is quick and easy. So give it a try and let us know how it works for you in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this one. Thanks for watching.